Hi everyone, it's Tom from PoE Security. Today I'd like to show you one of our most popular IP cameras. This is the IP-DF3042W-28A. Now this camera outsells just about every other camera that we offer, and for some pretty good reasons. One is the price. This is a great entry-level camera. And not only is it a good price, it comes packed with features. This camera features WDR, built-in microphone, so you can have all the audio recording to go along with your video, an onboard SD card slot, so even if you only need one camera, you can still have all your recording. This great matrix IR, which ensures that your infrared light at nighttime is spread evenly across the entire image, without any spotlight effects. On top of that, you've got WDR, backlight compensation, web access, and pretty much everything you could ask for in a camera. Now, this is our 4 megapixel model, so you get a great resolution without having to sacrifice on frame rate. If this looks like a camera that might work for you, check the link below, go to our website where you can find out more information and place an order. Again, this is Tom with PoE Security. Thanks for watching. Can't wait to see you again next time.